inline spinnerbait for white bass, hybrid, or stripers. I'm going to use a pre-made wire shaft. It's already twisted at the end for the eye. So I'm going to build the body here. And for the lure body, I'm using an old bullet slip weight that I actually painted with latex chartreuse paint. And then a nickel secondary lure body. This inline spinner works very well whenever the white bass or hybrid or stripers are feeding on shad at the top of the water. So then I'm going to take a finger's width here, and I'm actually going to prepare for the hook. And I'm going to take that and bend it. And the tag end needs to be under twist. And then I'm going to put my hook on. Now I'm going to take my wire twister and I'm going to actually twist it to close the end here. And I've got my wire twisting tool here, and I modified it a bit with the rubber band to help with the hook as you twist it. So I'm going to slide that in there. The eye goes on this little pin here. You gotta make sure this piece is in between. And once it's there, you can hold it and begin twisting, and you'll hear a snap. And you can twist it 3 or 4 times. I like to do it about 4, depending on how long it is. And then you twist it back a little bit, pull it out, and it's a good clean twist. And you can just clip off the rest, the tag end here. And clean it up a bit. There you go. Inline spinner with a red hook. Thanks for watching. Appreciate you.